Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back with me, Katina Bragani, your mobile apps trainer. I'm from Apps Master Builder, and I'm going to show you our next tutorial in Admob, whereby I'm going to show you how to actually pick up the app ID. Okay, so let's go in. Okay, I just actually opened this new Admob account to actually share with all of you on how to go about doing this. Okay, please do remember to point, we cannot have multiple Google Admob account, we can only have one. So how do we go about now picking up the app ID? Okay, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to click here at app. All right, platform, we'll choose Android platform. Okay, is the app listed on supported app store? It is supported. We are publishing. Admob only allow us to publish into their supported stores like Google Playstore, Apple App Store, Amazon, and so on. You can see the list here. All right. However, okay, we have not yet published the app, so I'm going to answer this as no. All right, and my normal practice, even if I've already published, I will still answer no. All right, so I'm going to click no. I'm going to click add. So I'm going to put an app name here. So let me just put here Apps Master Builder. Okay, and I'm going to click add app. All right, so how do we pick up this? We are going to click here, create and add unit. And we're going to pick up banner and interstitial. So what I'm going to put here, okay. So I'm going to put here app name is Apps Master Builder. Okay, what we're going to pick up is Admob app ID. And we're going to put Admob add ID. This is for banner. All right, and then we're going to put Admob add ID, and this is going to be for interstitial. Okay, all right, okay, and I'm going to save as this because later on I'm going to show you Admob. How do we put up into the builder? Okay. Okay, we'll save here. All right, so we're going to go back here and I'm going to click banner. Okay, I'm going to click here advanced setting. Okay, I'm going to click custom and I'm going to change this 30 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. What is banner? Banner is the bottom part advertisement that appear in our app. And the default was just now 120. That means every 120 seconds, new advertisement will appear. But Google also allow us to put only 30. So I'm going to change that to 30 seconds. And I'm going to click create add unit. And this is the second one is the add ID. And I'm going to share with you what I did just now, which I prepared this. Okay. So I'm going to put here the Admob add ID banner. Okay. And then we are going to go back. Okay. And then I'm going to click create another add unit. And I'm going to copy and paste this. And what is interstitial, ladies and gentlemen? It's a full page advertisement. Okay, it's a full page advertisement. And what we need to do setting is that we need to do setting in frequency capping, and the maximum that Google allow is only 2 impressions per 1 minute. So it means that you can put 1 impression per 1 minute, but you can't put 3 impressions per 1 minute. And then I'm going to click create add unit, and I'm going to copy this and paste it back to what I have prepared just now. So I'm going to show you that. Okay, so this is Admob add ID, which is banner, and also interstitial, which is Admob add ID. Now we need to put Admob app ID. That means for the app called Apps Master Builder. So I'm going to click done. And can you see on your left here? Let me see whether I'm sharing that. Okay, I'm not sharing that. So as you can see, I clicked done just now, ladies and gentlemen. All right. And then as you see here, there's an area here called app setting. So this is what I'm going to pick up now. Okay, so this is app ID. So I'm going to now go back here and put Admob app ID. Okay, so these are the three things that we need to pick up and put into the AMB server. I'm going to share with you shortly on how to actually copy and paste it into the builder. Okay, all right. However, before we go off, I need to assist you and show you another one setting that you need to do. Okay, let me now bring you back to the Admob. As you can see in front now, you see this is app name called Apps Master Builder, and we have a blocking control here and we have a blocking control here. What is the difference? Okay, this is blocking control for this particular app only. This blocking control is for the whole account. So it's up to you to do whichever setting that you like, easy for you. But I'm going to go to the app first. Okay, we need to actually concentrate on only two areas, which is the sensitive category and the ad content rating. Because when we go to Google Play Console to actually publish our app, we need to give ratings to our app, and also we need to answer question about child policy. All right. So let's go to sensitive category first. All right. So in Admob, ladies and gentlemen, we can actually control what type of advertisement that goes into our app. Okay. So for example, violence content, sexual content, or gender content, telecommunication content, tobacco content, and so on. So in Google Play Console, the one that we paid 25 USD for publishing, they require us to do content rating, just like movies, ladies and gentlemen. You have movies under parental guide, you have movies above 21, below 16, and so on and so on. So how do they determine those ratings? Is via answering some sort of questionnaires. And in that questionnaires for app, it actually asks, although the question is just one question, but it's actually two parts. First and foremost is our app content, which you have built yourself. And another thing is that it is the advertisement content, meaning that type of advertisement that goes into your app, because you have control on what type of app, what type of advertisement that can go in, and here is where we do the control. Okay, so there is 15 category. Okay, now it's allowed. So if you don't want this, you just click on that. So now it's blocked. All right, so it has a lot of things: astrology, dating, get rich quick, religion, sexual, casinos, weight loss, and so on. So which one to allow, which one is to block, is up to you, ladies and gentlemen. There's no need for me to tell you what to do. All right, but most importantly, you have to block if you want to lower the content rating, meaning that the category that your app is, or you can choose not to block anything. It's up to you. Okay, the secondly that we have to set is actually in ad content rating. Okay, yeah, many other things here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just showing you the most important one that is important for publishing app. Other things you can explore on your own. So here we need to move this, and you will see that it is automatically set on mature audience. So if you want to allow children to actually view your app, you have to turn it down into general. All right, but however, it has put in a highlight of it will reduce your income via 34 to 60%. Okay, so all right, so we just leave it as it is. Decision is yours. Okay, so with that, ladies and gentlemen, that is how we pick up the codes for Admob. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do you actually put into the server. So with that, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.